what's up, my people? It's right now freezing in Washington, and I can't tell you what's going on until you see it for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Extreme Weather. This is your boy, Antoism. What you're looking at right now is that this car is all iced down, and I've just turned it on inside. I'm trying to warm it, and that's what you're seeing over here. Now the ice is melting down, and hopefully that is going to release my windshield wipers. I'm trying to go get a friend of mine who was coming for a shoot but couldn't make it. She got stuck, so I'm just like 2 minutes away. Everything is just frozen. Look at this. There's a layer of ice, basically. It's frozen out here. Very cold and very slippery. Pretty interesting, right? It's a freezer out here, baby. Well, folks, before I could step out, I had to scrape off all this ice you're seeing on my windshield. Otherwise, I couldn't see what is out there. Free ice, free ice. Ninoma, ninoma, ninoma hii, ninoma, ninoma, hii ninoma. And I'm now almost freezing. My hands are so cold. Did you see that? Well, I'm sure some of you are wondering what's going on. This is the only tool that I had, so I was making the best of what I had. Of course, trying to take care not to damage my windshield, so I was trying to be very, very, very careful. That's the way the street is, and under it is a layer of just frozen water. So pals, I'm right here. I just parked my car over there, and I'm now going down to try and help my friend. She's already walking down. This is where she came down to, and that steep hill down there became the problem. Folks, don't be lied to by what you're seeing. You look at these pavements and you think you're fine. It's like a glass with soap. Super slippery. You don't want to try it. You'd rather walk on the grass. Keep a place like this. Be very, very careful and just sliding down. Honestly, literally sliding. Yeah, it's safer to walk in this. Skip that and take this. Wow, too bad I still have to encounter it. Avoid the pavements as much as you can and take all the grass that you can. Safer. Whoa, whoa! Yeah, thank you. I'm good. Whoa, man, I tell you, that was close. I tripped and I nearly fell. So after that treacherous ordeal, we go back to the studio. My lights were okay, camera and everything. We had a fantastic time shooting, beautiful photos. But the drama was when I took her back to drop her and I got stuck. I had to buy chains, but it took the intervention of other people. I've never tied chains to my car tires, and this was the first time. Yo, guys, wherever you are, take care. If you can, stay home when it says stay home. This was a serious experience. Peace out.